If you're on a Mac and you want to set up Claude Code, it's actually really simple. First, go to Claude Code's website. You can go directly to the docs or honestly just Google Claude Code and click the official link. Then, open up Terminal on your Mac. The fastest way is to hit Command and Space and type Terminal, press Enter. Once Terminal is open, go back to Claude Code's site, copy the install command from Mac, paste it into Terminal, and hit Enter. Let it run, it should install pretty quickly. After that, it may ask you to set up a file path. If it does, just copy and paste the command it gives you right back into the terminal. Once that's done, type Claude and hit Enter. That should open up Claude Code. From there, it'll walk you through a few basic setup steps and prompt you to log into your Claude account. Make sure you're on a paid plan that supports Claude Code. If you ever want to authenticate a different account later, just open up a new terminal window, type Claude again, and go through the login flow one more time. You may need to do this if you weren't able to log in the first time. Authorize Claude Code and you're in. Then, just ask it to do something useful. Maybe don't ask it to take over the world just yet.